Hey everyone, this is Jack. I'm the SDR Manager over here at Mixmax, and today marks our first episode of our new series, The Good, the Bad, the Spammy, which from the title, you can probably guess what we're doing. We're going into live sales emails that we've received, and I'm going to give you my to-dos and what not to do when crafting these. All right, subject line, hey Kyle. To me, I know what they're trying to do, keep a level of personalization, but it's just not it. Like this doesn't do it for me. If I ever get an email and I see my first name in the subject line, I almost guarantee that it's a sales email. So I'm immediately gonna either trash it or just mark it as read and move on. So in this regard, I think that's the first point. Also, it's redundant. Hey Kyle in the subject line, and then the body starts with hi Kyle. So it's just too much overkill in my opinion. What they could do to improve this is in the subject line, keep the short and conciseness of what this is doing, keep it 5 words or less, always keep in mind, but then bring to the point of what this email is actually trying to do. Are you trying to schedule a meeting? Here, they're trying to get more feedback on their outsourced SDR solution. So it's instead change the subject line to seeking feedback. Short, crisp, to the point. Awesome. The first line is, in my opinion, unnecessary. Here, like, hope you've been well, enjoying the summer. Been a while since I reached back out where I didn't hear from you. All of this is unnecessary. Hope you've been like, get to the point. Like, we're all busy. Everyone's trying to get on. Like, everyone's getting so many emails every single day. This takes up too much time and it's a waste of space, in my opinion. And also, calling attention to a time when you didn't get a response from them and then bringing that back up to their attention, it's just not, it makes them kind of feel bad. It's like, why? Like, I didn't need to get back to you then. Why should I get back to you now? So instead, replace that with the value. I like that they add an incentive in this email, but instead, I would switch the incentive to go at the end of the email and move their value props to the top, because these value props are awesome. They're super good. Short, they're in a bullet list, which I like. I don't really care for paragraphs because it just, to the eye of the reader, take too much time to read. Bullet points are short, concise, and to the point. So instead, move that to the top of this email and then add that incentive at the bottom right after. All right, cool. So you're going to help me scale my SDR team at a fraction of the cost, onboard in little in 2 weeks, and you're going to give me $100 for meeting with you just to learn more. All right, let's do it. But the CTA is pretty lacking. Like, if you see, there's really nothing at the end of this email. Every sales email needs to have a CTA for that reader and that prospect, so they know what do you want me to do here after you deliver what you shared. So here, an interest-based CTA, in my opinion, is crucial. Hey, are you interested in learning more? Does this pertain to you during this quarter? Anything like that. I know a lot of us will want to schedule meetings. That's the end of what we're all trying to do, but it all starts with a response. So don't get so aggressive to ask for a meeting in that first email. Save that for later down the road when hopefully you leverage that response. All right. That's all the time I have for this week. Thanks so much for tuning in, y'all. Drop a comment below. Let us know what other feedback you have. We'd love to hear from you. And tune in next week where we'll do more. Bye.